Little curious.
Hey kids! In this video we will learn some fun and interesting facts about llamas. So let's get started. Relative of camels. Llamas are related to camels. Even though they don't have humps, they are part of the camelid family, which also includes alpacas, guanacos, and vicuñas. Fur and colors. Llamas have thick fur that can come in many different colors like white, brown, black, and even spotted. Their fur helps keep them warm in the cold mountain regions where they live. Uses. Llamas have been used by people for thousands of years to help carry heavy loads like bags and supplies through the mountains. They are strong and sure-footed, which means they can walk on rough paths without slipping. Ears and expressions. Llamas have big banana-shaped ears that they can move in different directions. They use their ears to communicate with each other and show their feelings. If a llama's ears are up, it means they are curious or happy. If they are flattened against the head, they might be upset. Spit. Llamas are known for spitting, but they usually only do it when they are feeling threatened or annoyed. They spit out a mixture of chewed up grass and stomach juices. Yuck! Diet. Llamas are herbivorous, which means they eat plants. They graze on grass, leaves, and other vegetation. Their stomachs have 3 compartments to help them digest tough plants. Social animals. Llamas are social animals and often live in groups called herds. They like to be around other llamas and can form strong bonds with their human caregivers too. Llama babies. Llama babies are called crías. They're usually born with their eyes open and can stand and walk within a few hours after birth. Therapy llamas. Some llamas are trained to be therapy animals. They visit places like nursing homes and hospitals to bring joy and comfort to people. Remember, llamas are unique and fascinating animals with their own special traits. If you ever get a chance to meet a llama, you'll have a great time learning even more about them.